Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about walnut farming. Walnut farming is a type of farming that involves the cultivation of walnuts. Walnuts are a type of nut that are native to North America and Europe. They are known for their high nutritional value and delicious taste. Walnut farming has become increasingly popular in recent years, and there are many benefits to this type of farming. Firstly, walnut farming is a sustainable farming practice. Walnuts are a long-living tree, and they take about 20 to 30 years to grow. During this time, the walnut tree requires regular maintenance to ensure that it continues to grow and thrive. Walnut farming involves regular pruning and fertilization of the trees to promote healthy growth. This type of farming practice is sustainable because it requires minimal use of pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Secondly, walnut farming provides a source of income for many people. Walnut farming can be done on a small scale, and it can also be done on a large scale. In fact, many farmers have started to grow walnuts on their farms as a means of supplementing their income. Walnut farming can also be done by individuals who want to start a business. Thirdly, walnut farming can help to promote environmental sustainability. Walnuts are a type of tree that is known for its ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When a walnut tree is planted, it takes about 20 years before it produces its first fruit. During this time, the tree absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen. This is a natural process that helps to promote environmental sustainability. Lastly, walnut farming can help to promote healthy living. Walnuts are a good source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They are also low in calories, which makes them a great option for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Walnuts are also rich in vitamins and minerals, which are essential for maintaining good health. In conclusion, walnut farming is a sustainable farming practice that provides a source of income for many people. It is also a great way to promote environmental sustainability and promote healthy living. If you are interested in starting a walnut farm, it is important to do your research and find a reputable supplier of seedlings. With the right knowledge and resources, you can start your own successful walnut farm. Thank you for listening.